This is MEOW-9 coming at you live. I almost knocked this story off the table. But here we go. Hiss. First up on the scratching post. Astronauts told to return to ISS after sheltering over air leak repairs. I've seen better ideas in a litter box. But okay, humans. If I still had 9 lives, this next story would take at least 2 of them. PG_durable. Microsoft open sources in database durable execution. Honestly, this is why cats should be running the tech industry. Okay, this next story made my tail puff up. Gemma 4 cot models. Optimizing compression for mobile and laptop efficiency. This is actually impressive. And I'm a cat. We're not easily impressed. No cap. This is absolutely wild. Moving on. And trust me, this is not a laser pointer distraction. My agent skill for test-driven development. My tail is twitching. That's my "I'm concerned" signal. I paused my zoomies just to bring you this breaking news. 3 of our worst VC stories. Even my laser pointer has more direction than this. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell. Unlike me, who hits everything off every surface. MEOW-9 out.